Sustainable construction is a life idea that takes on numerous meanings, depend on the demands of the person involved. The description above have been reinterpreted and expanded depending on diverse approach and priorities from country to country as a starting point. The proposed educational institution buildings are planned to be developed near hotels, sport facilities, and the residential housing and hotel rooms. The development must meet the requirement of the Green Building Index. So we took a balanced approach to the project possible impact on the local people, environment, and economy. First, to identify the approach to sustainability that have been applied in the real world construction industry. And the second one is identify the practical sustainable strategies that could be adopted throughout project lifestyle. First, running event. This building running event consume energy and can contribute to air pollution, greenhouse, and others. And the second one is every decision the local developer made on issue that affect the environment must be discussed with the stakeholder.
For the first point, which is implication towards local community, or called as social well-being. Social well-being concerned with the benefits of the workers and the future users. For the workers, when employees get good attention from employees, they can perform the job well and calmly. This is important because when they are calm in doing work, the quality of work will improve and will be more profitable for the employer. So for the users, when the welfare of consumers is taken care of, consumer will feel their fate is protected by ensuring that the project can be completed on time. So the user will feel satisfied and will place high trust in the contractor who managed the project. For the second point, which is implication to the environment. So to live in environmental sustainability, we need to ensure that we are consuming our natural resources. This is important to aspire to the net zero carbon and then move beyond to ultimately achieve climate positive principle. The most important types of benefit green building offers to our climate and the natural environment. Green building can reduce and eliminate negative impacts on the environment, also save in many cases that have a positive impact on the environment by generating their own energy or increasing biodiversity. Recycled material used during the construction process are contributing significantly to the protection of the environment and to the reduction of waste. Moreover, the education city also can have a stormwater management system with the big area. It can prevent flooding in the surrounding areas. For the third point, which is implication toward economy, economic sustainability requires that a business or country uses its resources efficiently and responsibly. During the design and construction process of education city, factors such as building size and materials should be considered in terms of their cost effectiveness. Using local or recycled materials during the construction process also can help lower the cost and lead to the long-term cost efficiency. The ongoing maintenance costs are an important factor. One of the primary economic benefits of green buildings are lower the cost utility bills, as reducing the energy also means reducing energy costs. In this case, education facilities also will continue to publicly subsidize through financial mechanisms.
Project management is a continuous life cycle. The project starts with planning and ends with closure. There are practical sustainable strategies to adopt throughout project life cycle to achieve the project objective successfully. First one is procurement. Sustainable procurement is the process of purchasing goods and services in a way that account for social, economic, and environmental effects that the purchase will have on people and community. Procurement and how to do with sustainability is a critical issue that everyone in the industry must investigate further. The next one is site selection. There are several approaches can be used for site selection, which are optimize site potential prior to selecting a site, construction activity, pollution prevention, and also development density and community connectivity. The next one is material selection, where using environmental friendly material can reduce waste and also pollution. In order to design sustainable buildings, selection of appropriate building material become very important. Also waste prevention, where it concentrates on site practice that can determine whether or not waste will be created prior to or during construction site activity. The biggest opportunity to impact on waste generation through prevention principle is at design phase. The next one is recycle. Recycling of building waste, usage of material with a long period or durability, and limitation of usage of building material which pollute the environment are the basic recommendation of the strategy of sustainable building trade and an element in the sustainability development. The next one is reducing energy. Improving building energy where it can perform lower cost, reduce strain, and share community resource, and demonstrate environmental stewardship. Where some approach can be made, such as implement or refine equipment schedule, temperature set point control, calibrate or replace sensors, temperature or pressure reset schedules, and also lighting controls. The next one is health and safety, where workplace safety and health is often underemphasized or overlooked completely. Integrating safety and health into sustainability provide an opportunity to better protect workers and achieve a truly sustainable organization. And the last one is indoor environment quality, where it is a method to ensure indoor environment quality measures during construction are managed and executed properly.
Education institution buildings are among the most complex and intricate buildings built around the world. Such buildings can be very heavy consumers of energy and take in many acres of urban space or country space. Sustainable concepts and strategies must be used in design, construction, and operation to help protect our environment and contribute to the communities that house them. Investigate a variety of sustainable school design techniques covering new construction and existing building not only provide the opportunity for new building to learn from the past but also create a very shallow learning curve. The use of data to include quantifiable sustainability measure in educational institution building design and operation will check the value of usefulness of developing a new generation of sustainable school for students, staff, and the local area. School today has significant impact on resource use in their society. Not only are natural resource, land, water, energy production, and food consumed at high level, but these could often contain large quantities of waste generation, massive human movement, and other sustainability concerns that can be resolved with proper school building growth.
For the conclusion, as you can tell, there will be an increasing focus on sustainable construction in the coming years, and for a good reason. as future manager, it is important that we need to understand the concept of sustainability and learn how to apply it to construction projects now and future. By apply the effective project sustainability strategies in project management, it will lead to more sustainable development.